Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the AC command that reports on user login times. If you're interested in knowing how much time various users are spending on a Linux server, this command is a good choice. If you type the AC command by itself, you're going to see how much time all users have spent on the system since the current var log wtemp file has been recording login sessions. That may be many months or just a short time. In this case, that's quite a few hours. To break that number down by user, use the -p option, for P for people. And here we can see a report that shows how many hours each of those users has accumulated, and there's a clear dominant user. To list login user time by day, you might want to use a command like this. And I'm just going to look at the bottom of this report. And we can see we have daily totals for those days that people logged in, and login by user, for example, here. This command shows us that the var log wtemp was started in October. So let's look at that. Instead, we're going to look at the top of the report that we just looked at the bottom of. So we can see that the wtemp file first got a login on October 5th. Well, that's your Linux tip for AC. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.